gusto kong dugo eh. Golden and dragon. I want your dragon. Golden. I want your dragon. Give me your dragon right now. I want it. I want your dragon right now. Please. Hey, golden dragon, where are you from? Hey, batas. Hey. Hey, dragon. I want your dragon or else. Just kidding, golden dragon. Don't kick me out, okay? I will follow you to Toronto. Where are you from? Hey, Elle, where are you from? Golden dragon. Hey, Carlos. Kurikong. Ano nagkurikong man pud ka? Yati ka. Toronto. Ay, thank you! Pablo Job. Toronto, Canada. You came from Canada. Okay. What are you doing in Canada right now? Thank you, Pablo Job. I will follow back you, okay? Follow back. Yeah, done. Thank you so much. Monkey D. Hey, Marvin. Sugar Daddy! Sugar Daddy! How old are you? How old are you, Dragon? Bakit ang ganda? Hindi naman ako kasing ganda. Tama lang yung kagandahan ko. You said from Toronto, Canada ka, pero ba't marunong ka mag-Tagalog? 30. Okay, Sugar Daddy, you're 30 years old. Let me kiss you, Sugar Daddy. Wow. You know, Sugar Daddy, this kiss me how many times? Ay, sweetie pala. Yes, Marvin, what can I do for you, Marvin? Parang I want summer right now. So I want to go to the beach, but I can't. Oh my god. It's you. Hey, bodyguard. Maganda ka talaga. Thank you. Wala akong piso right now. Shall we, bodyguard? Hey, Sugar Daddy, what are you doing right now, Sugar Daddy? You want to bite me, Sugar Daddy? Okay, Sugar Daddy. I bite my lips for you, Sugar Daddy. Look. Ay! Oh my god, who's coming? Oh, bodyguard. Hey, Boost G, bodyguard is here. Hey, Dragon. Bisaya, isang kanta ulit. I don't know. Wala akong mic right now. I can't sing. It's you, Ate Marie. To the answer tonight. Hi, ano name mo? Sweetie. It's a me, sweetie. Hey, Dragon, taga-asa ka? Dragon, taga-san? Hi, Ate Marie, kamusta? Hi, Kali, sweetie. Taga-san ka, Golden Dragon? San ka sa Manila? You're good to sing. No need ng mic. Hindi. I need the mic. Taga-san ka, may FB ka ba? Naggrabe si Simeon, oh? Quezon Province. Ah, okay. Quezon Province. By the way, I came from Butuan City, from sa Mindanao. So, Bisaya ako, te. Kiss you. Who is R? Hi, Bretchten. Golden Dragon, no, naka... Ay, by the way, Golden Dragon, matagal ka na ba dito sa Bigo? I think matagal ka na. You're the answer. Asong gala. Ang ganda mo. Thank you. Alam niyo guys, masakit yung kamay ko dito. Malis ka muna, Casey. You kiss me a lot na. Yung kamay ko masakit dito. Ito, masakit siya. Di ko alam kung bakit. Anong totoo yun? May sinabi ba si Marvin sa'yo? Ah, okay. Ganda talaga mga bisita. Tapos sabi ni Dragon, totoo yun. Hello, Puss, Sweetie, Pie, Apple Pie, at kung ano na po. Hello, Bridgeton! Ayan na, bumabanat. Ay, hindi ako bumabanat. Kayo lang bumabanat sa akin. Dito, masakit siya dito, guys. Dito, masakit siya. Like, para yung ano ko, yung, ewan ko ba, masakit siya sa ano. Masakit siya. Kanina pa to, I don't know why. Nurse po. Alagaan yan. Pupunta pa ako ng hospital. Wag na lang. Anuhin ko na lang to. Titisin ko na lang to. Gaya ng mga lalaki. Gaya ng mga lalaki, titiisin ko to. Here's you. Here's me. Oh my god. My stomach is hurt. Ouch! Ouch! Scatter. Hello, Scatter. Take your time, Mr. Ramen. Cause it's you. It's me. Grabe siya, kanta ka nga. Kakanta ko. Sige, kakanta ako. 1, 2, 3, and twinkle, twinkle, little star. How I wonder what you are. Like a diamond in the sky. Kumanta na ako, kasama yung piso. Ay,